I'll show you.
Right now. Some of you can...
Hi, Gail. Abigail is riding the van. We're going to Expo.
Sasama sana ako.
Hi, Rina, Abigail. Sige lang, kay moving man eh. You have to move. This is a moving camera. Ay, Monch, don't go very... Ay. We are in Expo Filipino, and there is... Oops.
Kasi, okay, ang unang sundin mo yung sa kanya. Sabi mo, titingnan natin kung wala kang masaya, may video na lalaki. Tatanyan na lang.
Biti na naman.
Pagsatakal ng habis sa iba't ibang kultura ng ating mga karito. Ang unang yugto ay ang mga sayaw sa Cordillera na hango sa kanilang mga ritual na nagsasaad ng masaganang ani, pag-aalay sa mga anito, ligawan at pag-iisang dibdib. Inilarawan ang yaman ng kanilang kultura sa pamamagitan ng kanilang sayaw, masayang pagdiriwang, makulay na kasuotan at mapanghali ng musika. Sa ikalawang yugto ng pagsatanghal ay ating masasaksihan ang mga iba't ibang paglipad ng mga ibon at pagkikipag-ugnayan sa mga diwata.
Munch!
Hanggang pa man tuminang ng iyong bituin at sumikap ng araw ang kalayaan mo.
Tapos mag-ayun, uy! Labing... Ay, parang hindi nag-aaway. Sige, anay.
Window.
Ayaw, anay. Ayan, hihi, pare. Okay. Gusto na, Rose, bye. May maubos.
Abigail, you wave. Ayo. Jaime.
Ay, mamatay.
Aika. Aika, Aika. Aika. What do you like? Yan, what do you like?
Ice cream. Your coffee.
The chocolate na?
Yummy thing. Smile. Daniel. Who is that wearing shades?
Being recorded.
You smile, Jaime. Smile.
Hello.
Yes. Ralph is buying the tickets. Ride na nga eh. Sige, come on, Clara, do it again.
He's watching you get back. We'll go back here. We'll go back here. You know, this is just going around.
Ito na laharap, Lisa. At tumanarap. Pagkita-kita ako bumalis.
Yan yan! Hello, yan yan!
Ayan.
All aboard!
Okay, bye!
It's recording. Ay, sus!
Let it go near
You like it here, Jaime? Hmm? What do you want to do? Eat or swim? Hmm? Swim. We're having lunch here at Island Grill.
Luis? Let's see what's in the other side.
No, don't touch Jaime. Luis, no, please, Luis. Luis. Look at Aika sleeping. Hindi ka nagkumpa ah.
Eto! Ito lang kayo ah. Dito lang ako kasi mainit eh. Diyan lang!
We're now in Fontana. Luis! Luis and Daniel, Monch, Lance. We're in the pirate ship. There's Aki. that? That's Aki. Where's Daniel? Daniel's always lost. Oh, there he is.
Ding, there are no clothes for later day.
Our last day in Clark. Look at them. This is our room. Our hotel room. Where's Aki? There's Aki. They're doing. It's Junjun.
Here we see Aki and Daniel and Lad sleeping. And here, my tita.
Our room in Holiday Inn.
Thank you very much.
This is where they slept.
Have a short break first.
The boys slept here on the floor. We're now in Fontana. Look at them. The kids are finished applying sunblock. Look at Jaime and Ayo. Ayo, did you put sunblock? Ayo? Tang? Did you put sunblock already, Queen? We are now at Fontana again. Look at the children. Everybody! Munch, munch! Everybody wave here! There, they're going now. They're off. And Rose with the kids. There. What? Oh, oh. There! What are you riding, Aika? Wow, sexy, huh? Wow, look at this betting. Beautiful eyes.
Again, the other foot Bitina.
Wow.
Hi.
Aika!
Go! Record! This is Aki here, and this is Mommy, and this is Reporter Monch. Yes, Reporter Monch. Yes, the best. And that is Madam Manabi!